to beat the champion team. Very strong team, taller than us, bigger than us. But the thing is, we played with heart tonight. I keep on telling the boys about the defense, and wala akong masabi sa ginawa nila depensa. And Mark just shined the last few minutes of the fourth quarter. Sayang, no? Sayang. Maybe kung nakashoot kami ng maraming free throw last game, maybe we can win that game. But again, at least medyo malaki-laking isda itong nahuli namin. And I'm giving it to the boys. You know, we got a vacation one day lang, and then we practice from Tuesday to Saturday for this preparation for San Mig Coffee.
Nasaan yung kumpiyansa mo sa para magtuloy-tuloy?
Sinabi ko naman sa kanila na kanina before the game, you know, yung kalaban natin, San Mig Coffee, one of the strongest team, kami number 8, number 9 lang kami, and look at their height. Sa height namin, we're the shortest in the PBA right now. Ang sabi ko lang sa kanila, they're taller, they're stronger than us, but believe lang ako sa kanila, even in practice, mas malaki ang puso nila kaysa sa kalaban. And it shows na pinakita nila talaga na walang bumibigay, yung import ay magpalabas. O baka iba na naman isipin na si Mark ayaw din magpalabas. So pinakita lang nila na pinakita lang ni Mark Aguiwa na he's still Mark Aguiwa. Yung pala yung kay Ellis, yung what happened last game, he fouled the jump shooter, at the same time he switched, nawala, and yung bata down na down. You know, I didn't review the tape. Sabi ko sa kanila, kalimutan na natin, hindi ko napapaalala sa inyo. Tapos binuhay ko na lang si Chris, and he stepped up good.
Coach, satisfied ka na ba dyan sa bagong import? Wala ka nang hinahanap na sa kanya?
And then, sa akin lang, yung puso kasi ng import namin, alam ko mas maraming magagaling na import, but the heart of Vernon, talagang di nagpapalabas eh. Alam ko, pagod na, don't take me out. Sabi niya sa akin, tatapusin ko to. So, ang maganda doon, gusto siya ng mga players eh, because of his fighting heart. Kahit sabihin mong limited yung offense, pero kita mo, lumalaban talaga siya kanina. And you know, yung mga ganun, masarap kasama eh, pagdating sa laban. But nothing to celebrate kasi ano pa rin kami ngayon, 2-5 ba? 2-5. Sino ba last place na ngayon?
Global.
Oh, so marami pa. And then, you know, the last 3 games namin is rain or shine, San Mig, and Talk and Text. So, puro malalakas. Kami, maliliit nga kami, but we're gonna prepare well for Talk and Text.
May ulit kayo agad na San Mig?
Hindi na.
Oh. Kasi parang last conference ata, ilang beses ba kami tinalo ni Coach Tim? Medyo bugbog ata kami dyan eh. So, at least medyo nakabawi-bawi. Apple juice. Apple juice sa North Park.